Fáilte Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic Seacht. Rannóg Seacht, post mar au pair, Léitheoireacht. Level A1, topic 7, section 7, a job as an au pair with a focus on reading. Seacht, post mar au pair, le múna, on folklore a bhaineann le Buanna agus Scileanna a chur in úil. So we'll be working on the vocabulary for skills and talents to express how to express yourself and the vocabulary you would use in talking about those. Like an bilog post mar au pair uat don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, post mar au pair for this activity. Post mar au pair, a job as an au pair. Tá Siobhan ag cur isteach fust chun ara a thuairt de bheirt fáistí. Siobhan is applying for a job taking care of 2 children. Ag cur isteach, applying for, ara a thuairt, to take care of. Scileas an riamh a chur sí chuig bannaí chearúil agus an freagra a fuair sí arás. Below is the email she sent Bannaí Chearúil agus the answer she received back. Tá glúis ag bon an leithénig chun chearúil leat. There's a glossary at the bottom of the page to help you. Make sure to take a look at it. Lei an gá riamh read the 2 emails. An sin líon isteach na barnaí leis na focail chuí ón gcirceal. Then fill in the blanks using the correct words from the circle. Agus inis na focail sa chirceal, and now the words in the circle. Cócaireacht, cooking. Ceadúnas tamána, driving license. Car, a car. Linn snáda, a swimming pool. Riamhaíochta, computers. Bua, talent or skill. Gaeilge, Irish. Páistí óga, young children. Francíse, French. O Siobhan, from Siobhan. O, from Siobhan the Rian. Ábhar, subject, post mar au pair don saora, job as an au pair for the summer. Dáta, an 10 de bhealtaine, 2012. Chuig, 2, taréis I chearúil. So pause the recording here and take some time to read through this by yourself and see if you can fill in the vocabulary using the blue box in the circle. If there's any vocabulary that you're not sure about, go ahead and use teanglan.ie to translate any words that you may be unfamiliar with. And then when you have it completed, come back here and I'll go through the slide on the next, I'll go through the email on the next slide. A dhuine úsáid. This is how we say sir or madam in Irish. Is mac léinn Gaeilge agus Francíse mé an Ollscoil na Gaillimhe. I am an Irish and French student in Galway University. Tá drachar agus drafór óga gam agus is bra lam páistí óga. I have a young brother and sister and I like young children. Tá Scileanna ríomhaireachta agam agus tá mé sásta na Scileanna sin a bhuana do na páistí. I have computer skills and I'm happy to teach these to the children. Tá mé go maith ag cócaireacht freisin má tá cabhair ag teastáil sa chisteann. I'm good at cooking as well if you need help in the kitchen. Agsúil le cloisteáil uait, hoping to hear from you, is Míle le Mass, with respect, Siobhan ní Rian. Is Míle le Mass is the closing we use when writing a letter, a formal letter in Irish. Agus inis an riamhphost ó Theastas Eorpach, and now the email from Teresa Carroll. Ó Theastas Eorpach from Teresa Carroll. Ábhar áirí post mar ópéir don saora, dáta an dara lá 10 mí bhealtaine 2012, chuig Siobhan ní Rian. Again, take a few moments to pause the recording and read through it and fill in the blanks using the vocabulary in the blue box. Use changlan.ie if there's anything that you are unfamiliar with, although I think we have covered everything pretty much in the slide at this point. A Siobhan a cara. Siobhan. Go raibh maith agat as the cheachtaire. Thank you for your message. Tá brón orm ach tá duine ag teastáil a bhfuil ceadúnas tomáine aige nó ce agus cá chun na páistí a thumáid chuig an linn snámha gach maidin. Thank you for your message. I am sorry, but we are looking for a person with a driving license and a car to drive the children to the swimming pool every morning. Tá sim ag na páistí sa cheol freisin agus tá súil againn duine a fháil a bhfuil bua an cheol acu chun carú leo. The children also have an interest in music, and we are hoping to find somebody with music to help them. Gonairi lat, good luck, la mass, with respect, Teresa Bani Eorpach. Beg an bilóg post mar ópéir folklore an teachta uait dan gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout post mar ópéir folklore an teachta for this part of the activity. Scríobh aon folklore nua ón script ar bhaile a amhlaim síos. Write down any new vocabulary from the script that you wish to learn. Dean éireacht an folklore sin a chur in abertí geara. Make an effort to put this vocabulary in short sentences. Cad iad na Scileanna atá tú sásta a bhuana? What are the skills that you are happy to teach? Scríobh cúpla abert síos. Write a couple of sentences. Mar hampla, tá mé sásta tomád a bhuana. Or tá mé sásta áráníocht a bhuana. I'm happy to teach singing. I'm happy to teach driving. Croigh seola riamhphost as Gaeilge. Create an email address in Irish. Buin úsáid as aon folklore atá amhlaimthe agat go dtí seo. Use any folklore, any vocabulary you have learned to this point. Úsáid do Háiseanna. Use your imagination. Mar hampla, Colleen Iontach at ismailanghailge.ie. Colleen Iontach, wonderful girl, at iloveirish.ie. Buin soltas, enjoy it. Cad is brí la bua an cheol? What does bua an cheol mean? Tá bua an sport ag David Beckham. Tá bua an cheol ag Bruce Springsteen. Tá bua na haisteoireachta ag Daniel Day-Lewis. Tá bua na chócaireachta ag Gordon Ramsay. Tuair buile faoi thuairim. Give a guess as to what you think these sentences mean. So tá bua an sport at David Beckham. So David Beckham has the talent for sport, or he's good at sport. Tá bua an cheol like sports Bruce Springsteen. Bruce Springsteen is good at music, or he has a talent for music. Tá bua na háiseanna ag Daniel Day-Lewis. He's good at acting, or he has a talent in acting, or the skill. Again, bua means talent or skill. So tá bua na cócreachta ag Gordon Ramsay. He's good at cooking, or he has a talent for cooking. Post mar ó péir. Bháil le Therese I chearúil duine a bhfuil bua an cheol aige. Teresa Carroll wants somebody who has music, or who has the skill of music, or the talent of music. Freagar na ceistena seo a leannas. Answer the following questions. Quick review. Cad é an freagra an bhfuil? What is the answer to an bhfuil? If I ask you a question with an bhfuil, what is the answer going to be? Tá or níl? Yes or no, basically. Remember, in Irish, you answer the question with the form of the verb. Agus inis freagar na ceistena seo. And now answer these questions. An bhfuil bua an cheol agat? An bhfuil bua an sport agat? An bhfuil bua na hamhránaíochta agat? An bhfuil bua na cócreachta agat? An bhfuil bua na cainte agat? Sin é Rannóg post mar au pair, and that's section 7, a job as an au pair. Lamuna, we have worked on folklore of when la Buanna agus Scileanna occur in úl. The vocabulary used to express your opinions and tell somebody about your talents and skills. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas, the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, as cead a thabhairt dom, úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.